We just filmed the no mirror makeup challenge. She already took off her makeup, but I'm gonna do her makeup blindfolded. We're gonna cover it anyway, so you guys won't see the ugliness. All right, let's get started. Oh, I got the primer.
Wait, do you want to moisturize my face first?
Yes.
Okay. I have some Cetaphil.
We're gonna use Cetaphil. Okay. We're just jumping into this quick. I'm like, okay.
Do you want me to sit?
No, this is good. I have a little primer on my fingers. I think I put like tiny bit. This feels weird. All right, I'm gonna do brows. I bet you anything, girl. I'm gonna grab an eyeliner. I got something.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an eyeliner. Fuck it.
No!
Ay, ¿qué tiré?
You dropped your phone.
Oh, if it was a palette, it would have been sad. Okay, give me a brow pencil then.
Okay, I use brow pencils. So I'll get you one. Hold on. You know what? I feel like the whole chiste of this is to not tell you what to use. It's about like what you think you're using.
Yeah, cause I think in the the ones that I've seen, they like have a bunch of pencils and stuff.
What's worse? Doing your makeup without a mirror or doing somebody else's makeup
Doing
without saying
somebody else's makeup for sure. Because I know my face. Excuse me.
Okay, so from now on I'm not gonna tell you what to use.
So I'll just grab what I grab.
Yes. Did you do that?
This is hard. Oh, I grabbed the concealer.
Yes, you did.
Because I know it's
you
mine.
did. I don't know.
Well, brushes? How am I gonna do this?
You want to use mine? Just because I have a little.
Girl, I grabbed my concealer brush.
I don't know.
I did. I did. I know. I know I did. Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good, actually.
Right there, right under the brow. We're gonna highlight the brow with some concealer. We're gonna clean it up. Yeah, I know that didn't come out nice. Girl, I'm like really good with touch. I think this is the brush I use to set the base.
It does look kind of dirty.
What color is it?
I can't tell you.
Is it, I want to look so bad. Okay, I won't look. Did I leave my eyeshadow palette here? Oh yeah, here it is. Okay. We're gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette.
Do you like that palette?
Yeah. This one doesn't have a good, like a matte.
Yeah, they look like a lot of shimmery
I wanted to use
shadows.
like something matte to set your base, but
You want to use the Mario one by Anastasia? I have it right here.
does that one have like a plain matte one?
No,
Yeah, it's okay.
it's like a brown one.
We're just gonna go with it.
Sorry.
I got a blending brush.
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
No?
Maybe.
Okay. I'm gonna use. I feel like it's a little easy because I know my brushes. I know this palette, so I know like the colors. I'm really using my senses, my touching senses. Maybe not on your face, but like on the product.
Yeah.
Like I know it. It's actually pretty hard. I thought it would be easy. I'm trying to think what has happened recently. I saw a rat in the street.
Oh yeah, I actually saw that yesterday.
That shit was
Ooh.
nasty. It was like,
Oh my gosh, you know what happened today?
whoosh. You know you live in the ghetto when there's fucking
fucking
rats in
rats.
the street.
You're doing a great job.
Thanks, girl. Oh my god. hire me, guys. Hey. I'm having trouble with your this one.
Okay, this is my right side.
Yeah, this I already know it's not gonna look fabulous, but I'm gonna try my best.
Ew.
Okay, I already put primer, so let's do foundation.
Okay.
It's still recording, right?
Yes.
Okay. Los wow-wows. If you guys hear my dog, I have 4 dogs, so that's another reason why I don't film YouTube videos, because there's just too much commotion.
And there's fucking flies.
There's flies, there's dogs. It's a lot going on.
Okay.
Was that too much?
No, that was
How much?
pumps. I usually do 3.
Oh, okay. Girl, your booty blender though, what happened?
Bro, they're really fucked up. Like, that was the first beauty blender I ever bought.
When did you buy it?
Maybe a couple years ago.
Girl, you still use it?
No, I don't use it. I don't really use it anymore. I use the other black one. Just that it was dirty,
Oh,
and I didn't want to wash. I was too lazy to wash.
Technically, you're supposed to throw them away like, I think every 1 to 3 months or something.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah. And
Way overdue.
You're supposed to clean it like every week.
Oh, I clean them every time I use it.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
But like if it's ripping, I had a beauty sponge sent to me, and that shit had mold in it. It was gross. It was a light color, so you were able to see it. Like I was like, what the fuck is
Get my
that?
double chin, yes.
Yes, we got to get everything. And like I cut it in half, and yeah, that shit was nasty. And I was just like, yeah, this sponge is done. Like once you start to see spots on it, like that's when it's like, okay, like I don't. And it sucks because that happened to one of my beauty blenders.
Spots on this one, so I think okay.
Like it was a brand new beauty blender.
Yeah.
And it just like started getting like stuff on it, and I'm like, what the heck?
And it was.
I don't know. It didn't look like mold. Like it looked, because usually because the other sponge, it looked like you could tell it was mold. It looked like green. But this one, like my beauty blender, like it was just like getting black spots. So I'm like,
I think that is mold too.
I still use it. I'm like, no, it's new. It's still good. Okay. I guess I'll throw it away. So beauty sponge 101. Once you start to see mold, it's time.
Throw it the fuck out.
Yes, it's time to go.
Give it to your dog where they can play with it.
Yeah, they'll probably eat it. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to highlight your cupid's bow and everything.
This one I feel like it's getting a little bit dry. I use the spray.
I get so lazy, dude. Like that meme where it says when you start doing your makeup and you forgot to wet your beauty blender, like that's me 24/7. Like I always forget, and like I'm too lazy to get up and do it. I'm just like, I'll just use a brush. Like I'm so like, no, I don't want to get up. What is this? Okay. I'm like, what's moving?
Mercier. Hold on, I don't want you to make a mess with it.
Should I use a sponge or you use a brush?
I use a brush normally, but use what you want.
I can use my contour palette.
Okay, then yeah, just do that because I feel like this is loose powder. I don't have that much anymore.
You're like, I'm trying to save this Laura Mercier powder.
That's who.
Don't waste it. We'll use something else.
Hold on. You're supposed to pick yourself.
Your brushes are gonna get dirty, but
I only brought a little bit.
I guess this will work. I'm pretty sure this is the right brush.
Maybe.
I know these are the highlight colors, I believe. Alright, look up. This is very, very challenging. This is why they're called challenges.
What do you think you did? You did.
I think I did pretty shitty. going to bronze and hopefully contour. This is for entertainment purposes only. If you guys want to see how I do makeup on somebody else, that is my second YouTube video with Hash.
But then again, that was also 2 years ago. So
my skills have gotten better.
So if you want to see a new video on that, like an update,
Yeah.
an improvement
of my skills, this is it.
Better know.
Let's add some highlights. It's because I need to, like with the brush, like I don't know where it's going, but if I use my finger, I'll know. So put the highlight here, a nose, right there, and Cupid's bow. All right, so no blush?
No, I mean I don't use blush, but if you want,
Lipstick?
just use whichever one you think it's lipstick.
I got it. All right, here we go. We're back in business.
There you go.
Okay, we're just gonna mix them all up. Smile. All right, that's that.
So what's next?
Then we're gonna do lipstick. So this is gonna be kind of easy to find because I know it's studded because it's the Kat Von D lipstick. So see, I found it. I think I made it too easy, but I mean, doing it blindfolded in the first place is difficult as it is. So okay, yeah, this is. I already know it's not gonna come out cute. I'm sorry. You know, I'll try to make you a Cupid's bow. Okay. Is that it? Should I do the lower lash line?
No, you're gonna put mine.
Oh,
I
yeah,
mean, it's up
that's-
to you, but
Do I do it or is it dangerous? That's it, right?
yes.
Do we leave it? Do I see?
Okay, hold on.
Oh, my eyes.
Okay,
Oh
look
my
away.
god, I feel like. Yeah, this was like. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So this is the finished.
Damn. Like, it was weird being blindfolded for a long time.
You think you did worse than you thought or better than you thought?
Your face? I feel like I can do face. Like, the face is easy. It's just eyes that's hard.
My blush is down here. Yeah.
Your highlight's on fleek.
Some eyeliner on my forehead.
It's kind of like a peacock look. Peacock eyeshadow look. Let me see the other side.
Hold on.
The eyeshadow though. Damn, I thought her lid was like all the way up here.
I know.
That is the finished look, guys.
The highlight is popping.
Lips? Lips aren't too bad. It's a natural lipstick, so that's why you can't really tell. Looks like your lip color.
So that is the challenge.
Yay!
Up to dive. We actually did 2.
We did 2 challenges today, so I will upload them later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.